Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best espresso machines. So let's get started. Number 7. Ultima Pro. When it comes to traditional espresso machines, this one is a great value. It's very easy to use and makes a smooth cup of espresso with a perfect crema, comparable to one of the most expensive automatic machines we tested. It features buttons for double espresso, hot water, and steam used to steam and froth milk with the attached steam wand. It can also be programmed to brew an espresso larger or smaller than the 1.5 ounce default. The larger the espresso, the more mild the flavor, and vice versa. This machine's most unique feature is hidden below the lid, a holder for the included coffee measuring spoon and extra coffee filter. Number 6. Barista Pro. If you're very particular about your coffee, this is the automatic espresso machine for you. The Barista Pro allows you to choose from 30 different grind sizes and 5 temperatures. The steam wand is basic, so you can froth your milk exactly how you like it. It also comes with 4 filter baskets, 2 for pre-ground coffee and 2 for whole coffee beans. We recommend playing around with the settings, starting with the default settings, to create your perfect espresso. Number 5. Bambino Plus. The Breville Bambino Plus is a perfect automatic machine for those who crave the traditional espresso making experience. It comes with 2 dual-wall filter baskets for pre-ground coffee beans, a trimming tool, tamper, and a milk jug to be used with the attached steam wand. Choose between a single espresso or a double espresso, plus steamy, frothy, or very frothy milk. In our tests, this machine made espresso that was strong with a crema that wasn't overbearing. Number 4. Essenza Mini. Not much beats this capsule espresso machine's small size and power. With 19 bars of pressure, it makes a good, full-bodied espresso with a creamy crema. Choose from espresso or lungo, with the option to use or remove the drip base for a bigger cup. The water container seems small at first glance, but we didn't mind refilling it for the freshest tasting cups. It may also be purchased in a bundle with a separate milk frother, or consider a similar espresso machine we tested with a built-in frother that uses the same type of original pods. Number 3. K-Cafe Coffee Maker. If you're looking for a Keurig upgrade, a special gift, or the option to mindlessly froth milk, look no further than the Keurig K-Cafe. For coffee size options 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 10 ounces, and 12 ounces, plus a strong option, make it easy to enjoy your favorite K-Cup exactly how you like it. Add in an espresso roast K-Cup capsule and a shot size option, and you're well on your way to making a fine cup of espresso too. While the espresso roast K-Cup doesn't quite deliver on crema, a built-in coffee frother allows you to froth milk quickly and easily for cappuccinos less milk and lattes more milk. Plus, there's also a cold option if you'd like to enjoy your frothy milk drink over ice. In our tests, this capsule machine was very consistent when it came to preheat time, brew time, coffee temperature, and volume. Number 2. Super Automatic Espresso. This super automatic espresso machine is very easy to set up and use. Simply press the on button before being guided through a step-by-step setup on the screen. During our test, we were able to set the time, date, and water hardness level with no effort. The buttons were very clear and responsive, and the screen guided us through every remaining stage from preheating to brewing and cleaning. We never had to guess what stage the machine was up to, because it clearly spelled it out on the screen. Number 1. Mr. Coffee Occasions. The Mr. Coffee all-in-one coffee maker does it all. It can make espresso, K-cup-based drinks, or a full pot of coffee in a thermal carafe. It also has a steam wand to froth milk. The control panel is very easy to use, and the attachments became easier to attach and detach after the first couple of times. In our tests, the automatic espresso function produced a nice crema, the K-cups tasted well brewed, and the coffee was hot and full-bodied. The thermal carafe kept coffee hot for hours. When we checked on it the next day, it was still over 100 degrees Fahrenheit.